back to my channel. My name is Mikal, for those of you who are joining me for the first time. Today I'm going to be doing a really interesting hair tutorial. I am going to be trying on these clip-in hair extensions from FrontRow. You can get them from Clip-in Hair as well. I will leave the details down in the description box below. And so basically this is a chocolate brown, I think the color is chocolate brown, and there's about 8 pieces here that I just clip in, which is about a 220 gram thickness. And so I'm going to be attaching it to my hair. This is just freshly washed and blow dried, so I'm going to be sticking it in. Just know that I have like fairly thin hair, and so the thickness of my hair is not like extremely like that it's going to cover it. So my aim is to have all the extensions like as low as possible so that you don't see the actual clip-in through my hair, because like I said, my hair is really thin. So yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys how this works. So if you want to see how it looks at the end, then keep watching. This is what it looks like when it's on. It's so comfortable. It doesn't feel heavy. Okay, it does, you have to get used to it, but it doesn't feel like that there's something on your head. It's like kind of like attached to your head, which feels so comfortable. And then at the end of the day you can just clip them back off and go to bed absolutely normal. But I love these so much. It is slightly lighter than my original hair color. However, the tips of my hair are the same color as the extensions, but my roots are slightly darker, so you can kind of see the two-tone underneath here. But if I do make my hair lighter, or if I just leave my ends as light as they are, it's gonna look absolutely natural. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I did curl it a little bit as normal. I used a normal curling iron. It's human hair, so you can do whatever you want with it. Just be gentle, because ultimately it is not attached to your head. But I put in the curls because I wanted to create a little bit of volume, because I like my hair a little bit voluminous. So I really just wanted to share this with all of you. So I really hope that you liked this video. If you liked it, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you thought. If you have purchased from FrontRow or Clip-in Hair, please let me know as well, and what were your thoughts about the products. I personally love it, and I'll definitely use, the next thing I want to get is the ponytail, just to try that out. But yeah, I really had so much fun. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'm still trying to grow it, so it means so much to me. But anyways, I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and thank you for watching. Bye.